Hello dear subscribers, today I'll tell you how you can easily fix your problem. So if you see no service on your iPhone, so how you can fix it. So first thing, just go to the settings, and in the settings you need to find here mobile data. Just open it. Now just find here network selection, so here you can see it. Now just turn off automatic, and now just choose from this operator your operator. So you can also try to fix it like this, and if you still have the server, so you can also try another way. So just go back, just try to update your phone. So just go to the general, just open software update, just wait until it will check for updates, and if you see here available update, just tap on download and install it on your iPhone. So if it doesn't help you too, just go to the general again. Now just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds, and just power on your phone again. So just simple, restore your phone. And if it doesn't help you too, and if you still have the server, so you can also just try to reset settings. Just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on reset, and now you need to choose reset network settings. So just tap on it and just submit resetting network settings. So this is a way how we can also do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.